My name is Alex Njeru. Currently, I'm a judiciary staff with the Directorate of Strategy, Planning and Organization Productivity. I enrolled at Moringa under the course of data analytics and visualization with Python. The biggest motivation for undertaking this course was basically the need for bridging the gap in terms of the skills, in terms of the demand for data and the supply to our consumers that use the data that is fed to us in various using various channels and tools. So that is one of the single most reason as to why I got motivated to do the data analytics and visualization using Python. One of the data or one of the information that we get from courts is quite heavy. That is the performance management and measurement understanding data. That has a lot of indicators. So you'll find that previously we would analyze this data using the basic concept of Excel, which is quite challenging. It's quite tiresome. And sometimes even the mistakes of even not seeing some few errors here and there would come up. Since I did the data analytics and visualization using Moringa, I might now say that currently now it's a bit different. It's easy now just to develop a program or a code that now analyzes that data with ease. You find that now the time I used to take before just to do the analytics of the performance management and measurement understanding data is a bit less errors, more information, and I find it a bit easy. I'll say that the classroom experience was on another level. We had amazing tutors or teachers who really understood our needs, and they really understood where we were coming from, and they really understood what was intended to be done. So in terms of just that personalization of the training and personalization of the teaching, Moringa has got the best, because they are not just training you for the sake of ensuring that you pass through the course. They are training you for the sake of also ensuring that you understand the basic concepts of the program. I would say basically even other government institution, they can just have a conversation with the Moringa team, and they'll be able to come up with a tailor-made program that suits the needs of the institution.